Which will have the most impact on you? A. In 3 hours, I've only had 1 drink. B. In 1 hour, I had 3 cocktails. C. In 3 hours, I've had 3 cocktails. What should you do if you're taking a non-prescription medicine before driving? A. Look for cautions on the label. B. After taking the medicine, wait 3 hours before driving. C. First and second choices. D. Get plenty of water. Which of the following statements concerning driving while intoxicated is correct? After 2 beers, it is usually safe to drive. A. Your reaction time improves when you drink alcohol. B. Alcohol has no effect on your ability to make decisions. C. Alcohol has a bad impact on your judgment. Has the same amount of alcohol as a 5-ounce glass of wine. A. A 2-ounce shot of bourbon. B. A pint of beer, to be exact. C. A 12-ounce beer can. D. A margarita, to be precise. What are the implications of driving while under the influence of alcohol or other drugs? A. Every single one of the following. B. It is possible that you will be imprisoned. C. A monetary penalty is imposed. D. Revocation of a driver's license. What does implied consent law mean? A. Even if there are no signs, markings, or signals at an intersection, the laws apply. B. The vehicle's owner will be covered by adequate insurance. C. You will take a test to assess the amount of alcohol or drugs in your blood if asked. Your license will be if you provided false information on your driver's license application. A. Cancelled. B. Revoked. C. Restricted. D. Suspended. Complex molecules are broken down into simple parts by the, which allows them to be carried out of the body as waste. A. None of the options. B. Pancreas. C. Bladder. D. Liver. Which of the following is caused by drowsy driving? A. All of the following causes listed below. B. Microsleeping is the result of this. C. Your mental process is slowed. D. It has an impact on your judgment. The only way to sober up before driving is what? A. Drink lots of water before you drive. B. Wait 3 hours for your body to process the alcohol. C. Drink tea before you drive. If you are above 21, having a blood alcohol concentration of or higher is prohibited. A. 0.04. B. 0.08. C. 0.01. Which of the following claims about drug use and driving is accurate? A. Only illegal drugs can impair your driving. B. Any prescription drug is safe to use if you do not feel drowsy. C. Even over-the-counter drugs can impair your driving. After a drink, you should A. Drive home with a friend. B. Take a cab. C. Drive home yourself. 81% What is assessed by a chemical test? A. Vision. B. Blood alcohol content. C. Fatigue level. Alcohol may A. Reduce your ability to recover from glare. B. Impair your judgment and reduce your reaction time. C. All of the above. How long does it take your body to process 3 beers? A. 4 hours. B. 1 hour. C. 3 hours. Which of the following statements regarding alcohol is always true? A. There are no sanctions if a driver refuses a breathalyzer test. B. If you've just had 2 alcoholic beverages, it's always safe to drive. C. The effects of alcohol on a person's ability to drive are minimal. D. The BAC of a driver is determined using a breathalyzer test. Which of the following does not fall under the heading of distracted driving? A. Cognitive. B. Visual. C. Audible. D. Manual. If you're using a prescription medicine, make sure to A. Drive slower than the traffic flow. B. Before driving, wait 1 to 2 hours. C. Learn how the medicine will affect your driving skills. When you have both alcohol and drugs in your blood. A. The effects of the drug increase. B. The effects of alcohol increase. C. The effects of both increase. When you drive in the United States, you agree to A. Test your blood, breath, or urine for the presence of alcohol. B. When necessary, carpool. C. 1 and 2. D. None of the above. Even at BAC levels as low as 0.03 and 0.04%, good judgment and vision are severely hampered, especially in A. Young motorists. B. Drivers with plenty of experience. C. Senior citizens behind the wheel. Many people's first drug of choice is drug. A. Alcohol. B. Dextromethorphan. C. Vicodin. D. Cocaine. How much alcohol does it take to have an impact on your driving? A. 2 drinks. B. 3 drinks. C. 1 drink. How long does it take your body to eliminate the alcohol in 5 ounces of wine on average? A. 30 minutes. B. 2 hours. C. 1 hour. D. 45 minutes. DMV Online Practice Test Department of Motor Vehicles. In the United States, the government agency that is responsible for driver licensing and vehicle registration is the Department of Motor Vehicles, or DMV for short. They administer the tests for those who want to obtain their DMV license. Each state has its own set of rules and regulations when it comes to driver licensing. But the most common out of all of them is that they follow the Graduated Driver License Program. Through this program, for you to get a DMV driver's license, you can apply for the following: learner's permit, restricted or provisional license, and adult license. DMV permit test. The first stage of the licensing program is the DMV learner's permit test. Passing this test means that first-time drivers and teens will be given a permit to drive. To get your DMV driving permit, you must pass the vision test and the knowledge test.